Welcome to our video on self-defense techniques for beginners. In this video, we will teach you some basic moves that will help you protect yourself in difficult situations. Before we dive into the specific techniques, it is important to understand the importance of having a strong stance and posture. This forms the foundation of any effective self-defense move. The palm strike is a simple yet powerful move that can be used to strike an attacker's face or other vulnerable areas with the bottom of your palm. We will show you the correct technique and key points to focus on. The front kick is an essential self-defense move that allows you to create distance between you and the attacker. We will demonstrate the proper form and explain how to generate maximum power with this kick. Being able to free yourself from a wrist grab is a crucial skill in self-defense. We will show you two effective techniques to escape from this common type of attack. Congratulations! You have learned some basic self-defense techniques that can help you protect yourself in various situations. Remember to practice these moves regularly to build confidence and improve your overall self-defense skills.